BarryTiger. Subscribe!
Uh-oh! The truck is frozen!
Hee-haw! There's a shopping event today. Everyone bought so much stuff. Hee-haw!
Delivering now.
It's cold and slippery. Be careful. Hee-haw!
I'll make sure to deliver everyone's parcel safely. Whoa! Oh no! Whoa! Help me! Whoa! Ouch! Can anybody help me?
Someone just called to ask for a repair. Why isn't he here yet? Ah! Oh, Truck Bam Bam, why are you frozen in ice? Uh-oh. Dear friends, let's repair him now. We'll use a heater to melt the ice first. Which one is the switch? Is it this one? Ah! It's wrong! Let's try again.
I feel so warm. Thank you so much, Super Mechanic Barry.
What's happening? Let's do a scan first and a checkup right after. Oh, it's too cold and your battery's dead. We'll use the generator to charge the battery.
I feel great now. I'll be able to deliver more parcels.
Please wait a moment.
Oh?
To stop your wheels from skidding on ice, let's get you into snow tires, okay?
Wow, that's exactly what I needed. Wow! I love my new tires so much!
The repair is done. Dear friends, you're so awesome.
With the snow tires, I'm sure I won't skid on ice again. Goodbye!
Goodbye! It's so cold. Huh? Truck Bam Bam, why are you here again?
Super Mechanic Barry, I have a parcel for you.
Let's see. It's from Happy Tiger. Wow! A down jacket! Now I won't feel cold anymore.